Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add mutations to your plants and grow a garden. So there are 3 ways to do so. So the first one is just to be AFK in the game, and then you're going to wait for like a weather, for instance, like this, rain, so 50% growth speed and higher wet fruit chance. So for instance, like, okay, not this one. Which one has like a wet? Okay, well, one of these has like the what mutation on it, and that's because of the weather and just staying AFK in the game. The second way is to just buy the mutation spray, although it comes like, I don't know like what time it comes to the game, but do I have one to show you? Let me see. I don't think I have. Okay, I do have one. It's a burnt one. You're going to kind of point it at the plant you want to apply this mutation on, and you're just going to select it and make sure the plant is like fully grown. You cannot, I don't think you can apply it to the ones that are not fully grown. I'm not sure, but you're just going to apply it. I think it worked as well, but you're just going to select the plant like this. I guess here I'll show you. As you can see, now it has a burnt mutation as well to it. The other way, this is the last way to do it, get a pet that applies mutations to your plants. So for instance, this bear right here, the sushi bear, it applies the chilled mutation to your plants, as well as the robot that I got from the update. Where is it? I'm trying to find it. Hello. Oh, this one. It gives, I think, an oiled mutation, but I think I changed it to the aromatic one because I gave it an aromatic shard. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.